How to upgrade your ChatGPT plan. If you want to upgrade your ChatGPT plan, it is very simple. If you have the Plus plan, or if you have a free account, you want to upgrade to the Pro plan, or maybe from free you want to convert to Plus plan, we will just look at the changes. What we do is we first open up our browser and we go to chatgpt.com, and this is the interface that you will see. Then what you have to do here is to simply click on your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you click the profile icon from the top right, you want to simply click on the button that says upgrade plan. So right there you can see, click on the upgrade plan button. Currently I have got Plus plan. I'm paying about $20 USD. They say 20, but I'm paying 22.60 USD dollars. So this is just a marketing gimmick. They say 20, it's actually 22. And for 200 also, I'm pretty sure something like that happens. So you can select for personal or for business. You'll get the team plan and whatever else it is. You can just hit the get pro version, and then you'll be able to upgrade to that particular plan. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.